Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I saw this storage container in a store the other day and thought this is perfect to store some of my son's toys. The beautiful thing about this storage container is that it doubles as extra seating on the veranda. I really love it, and I thought about buying another smaller one. My head went into overdrive and thought, why not try to make one? So here we are. It won't be strong enough to sit on, and it certainly will not be collapsible, but it will work for the purpose that I want it for. Here are some of the things you'll need: scissors, glue, and of course the fabric for the inside and the outside, and yes, a box of your choosing. As you can see, I had already started making this container, but I wanted to drag you along. Maybe you might want to do something similar. With the flaps lifted, we have a height of about 16 inches. On the long end of it, it's 18 inches. On the shorter side, it's 12 inches. And I think that's actually, a perfect enough size to store clothes. I'm using some extra pieces of cardboard strips to reinforce the corners of the box for some added firmness. So here we are, ready to line the inside with this fabric. It's a bit heavy, kind of have that feel like a tarpaulin, but I feel like it will add durability. Add in some glue, and I got a small brush, to help spread the glue evenly. Did some measurements, and I cut the fabric to the measurements of each side of the box. Nothing perfect, really just eyeballing. Some extra inches at the top and extra inches at the bottom. I decided to use this fabric on the inside because it's water resistant, so any kind of mess that could possibly happen on the inside, or if it gets dirty or messy, it is easy to clean and it wouldn't damage the cardboard. So there you have it. As you can see, I've trimmed the extra fabric off and have also used some staples on the inside for extra hold. So now it's time to wrap the outside. I found this really beautiful piece of fabric at the fabric store. Kind of feels velvety but much heavier or thicker. What I really want to do is to give my box extra body, extra strength, you know what I mean, so that it will last for a little while. Going by the measurements that I have, eyeballing again, maybe a little bit too much fabric here, but I'm not going to cut the fabric this time. I'm going to just use that one strip of fabric and just wrap all the way around. Now, as you're doing this, as you're wrapping the box, you have to make sure, you smooth the fabric on the box so that you don't have any wrinkles or bulges. You want it to be as smooth as possible. A little more fabric than needed, so I'm just cutting off the excess. You can use any kind of glue, but preferably one that works well with fabric. I couldn't find my glue gun for a minute, and that could have been really helpful earlier. But yes, a glue gun is an essential piece of equipment in the world of DIY. You probably won't need to wrap the bottom of your box, but since there was all this excess fabric, I decided to just continue. So I'm just using a piece of the lining to close off the bottom. And here we are. Our storage box is complete. I'll do a part 2 making the lid for the storage box, so stay tuned for that. Now tell me, is this something that you'd try? Please let me know in the comment section. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, walk good.